To make these hair accessories, I am using 3.0 mm hook and this plastic bangles. This is a clean base to make these hair accessories, and we will start with a yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and this is called single crochet stitch, and we have to make more single crochet stitches all around the base, and we have to make single crochet stitches all around until the base is fully covered. And for your information, I have made total 60 single crochet all around the work. You can make more, but try to keep the number of single crochet stitches a even number. This is better to recognize the number of petals you will make. And now we will make an invisible join. For this, insert your needle through the second stitch. This is our first stitch and this is our second stitch. Insert your needle through the second stitch. Pull the yarn. Keep a sufficient amount of yarn to make the invisible join. And now insert your hook through the middle of last stitch. Pull out, pull, and you can see it seems like we have made a stitch. And an invisible join really helps us to make the outlook so clear. It really helps. You can try, you can experiment if you want, and you can see the difference. And we have made the base, and now we will make the petals. For this, we are going to work only on the front loop for this row only, and this is the back loop, and both together are both loops. But we are going to work on the front loop, so insert your hook through any of these loops on the front part and yarn over, pull through, chain 1, insert your hook through the next stitch and yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, insert your hook through the next stitch and pull through 2, again pull through 2, and this is called 1DC. And now chain 2. 1DC means 1 double crochet, and now again 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Again 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1 and slip stitch in the next stitch. Here you can see we have made one petal, chain 1 and start making another petals one by one, and one half double crochet in the next stitch, one double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, 1, 2, one double crochet, one half double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the next stitch. We have made 2 petals, and now we will keep making petals like this, following the same pattern. And as I have made an even number of single crochet stitches, so I will get total 15 petals in this row. After completing this row, you can see that you have made 15 petals. I can show you after completing this row. You can see here I have completed this row on my another project. So I'm going to continue with this one. So now we are going to work on the back loops only. Insert your hook through the back loop, chain 1, 2, insert your hook in the next stitch and pull through 2. This is our first DC. Then yarn over twice and insert your hook in the next stitch, pull through 2, and lastly pull through 2, chain 2, and now we have to make this pattern one more time. To make a slip stitch in the second stitch, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the same gap and pull through 2. This stitch is called one treble crochet, and now one double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 2, one double crochet in the next stitch, yarn over twice and one treble crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, insert your hook through the second chain from the hook and make a slip stitch on the second chain and one treble crochet in the same stitch, one double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch. We have made 2 petals as you can see, And as usual, these petals are bigger than the previous one, but it may look small or same size as there is a yarn difference because the dark blue is thicker than the light blue yarn. So whenever you will choose the color combinations, please be careful about the number of the plies. So that is how we will make more petals in the back loops only, and after that we will get total 15 petals and keep working. So I will show you after completing this row, and here you can see this is the perfect one. You can see the backward petals bigger than the petals in front sides, and I have completed the previous one, and now I will show you two different types of petals. In the previous pattern, I have shown you that I have made slip stitch to make the upper side of the petals look sharp, but for this petal, I'm not going to make any slip stitch. Let's see. One double crochet, one triple crochet. Now chain 2 and one triple crochet in the same stitch. As you can see, I haven't made any slip stitch in the second chain, and this is the tape here, cause by doing this the petals look more bigger than usual and it looks so cute. But if you make a slip stitch, it will give a sharp look to your petals, and this is the best thing for the sunflower touch. And both designs are so useful and so cute by their own patterns, and you can follow any of this. After completing this row or this pattern, you can see the difference by yourself, cause the difference are visible. One is sharper one and the another is not sharp, but it looks so cute and so visible change. You can see, you can already see. Here is the one with slip stitch and the pink one is without slip stitches. In the pink one you can find a large gap, but in this one you cannot find any gap, and this one is sharper and looks more stunning, but the pink one also looks so cute. So you can see here, that is how you have to wear this one on your hair. You can make a bun and then you can wear this, or you can use half of your hairs and then style it and do whatever you want. And if you like the video and if it was a little bit helpful, so please do subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.